Good morning, students. I hope you all must have completed till question number 4. Now, let us start with question number 5. The adjoining pie chart shows the expenditure of a country on various sports during year 2012. Study the pie chart carefully and answer the following questions. So here pie chart is given. So you all have the book. You can see the pie chart. Here it is the various sports played in a country and the expenditure is shown in terms of angle. Okay. We know that sum of all the angles of in a circle is 360 degree. So for cricket it is 90 degrees, hockey 75, football 40, tennis 50, badminton 60, athletics 30 and others 15 degree. So the first question is what percent of total expenditure is spent on cricket? Okay. So how you just see here cricket, how much angle, what is the degree? That is 90. That so to find out the percentage, what do? We always multiply by 100. So what percent of total expenditure is spent on cricket? That will be equal to 90 by 360 because total angle is 360 into 100. So when you will solve it, you will get it as 9 fours are 36, 425s are 100. So 25%. Then what percent of money is spent on, what percent of more money is spent on hockey than that on tennis? Okay, that is the question. So on hockey it is 75 degree and on tennis it is 50 degree. So just find out, or you can just simply directly subtract also 75 minus 50. Okay, that is 25 by 360 into 100. So just multiply by 100, you will get the answer. So that will be equal to 6.94%. Then come to the next part of the question. If the total amount spent on sports is 1 crore 80 lakhs, then find amount spent on badminton. Total amount, how much is spent? 1 crore 80 lakhs. And what is the amount spent on badminton? So badminton is 60 degrees. So we'll first convert this in percentage. That will be equal to 60 by 360 into 1 crore 80 lakhs. So we will do that. 60 by 360 into 1 crore 8 lakhs. When you will solve it, 66 are 360. Okay. Then 6 3s are 18. So it will be 30 lakh rupees. So 30 lakh rupee is spent on badminton. Okay. Next question. If the total amount spent on sports in 2012 is 2 crore 40 lakhs, then find the amount spent on cricket and hockey together, both cricket and hockey. So what do you find here? Cricket and hockey, that is 90 plus 75, isn't it? That is 165 degree. So that will, how much amount is spent if the total amount is 2 crore 40 lakhs? So 165 by 360 into 2 lakh 2 crore 40 lakhs rupees. When you will solve it, you will get it as 1 crore 10 lakh rupees. Okay, so this much amount is spent on cricket and hockey together. Now let us do the next question, the last question of this exercise. The adjoining pie chart shows the number of students enrolled from class 6 to class 10 of a school. If 1440 students are enrolled from class 6 to 10, okay, then answer the following question. So from class 6 to 10, how many total number of students are there? 1440. Now to find out the answer to these questions, we will first find out the number of students in each class. Okay, for that what we will do, we'll just make the table from the information given from the pie chart. Okay, so we'll just make first column, we will write down the classes 6 7 8 9 10. Other is the central angle from the pie chart only, 80 70 85 75 and 50 degree. Okay, now we will do the calculation part. Okay, so total number of students is how much? 1440. So how many students are there in class 6? So let us find out that. Now we know that the sum of all angles in a circle is 360. So 80 by 360 into 1440. This is 4 is a 1000. So just multiply 8 into 4 is 320. Then 70 by 360 into 1440, that is 4, that is equal to 280. Okay, in class 8, 85 by 360 into 1440, just multiply, you will get 340. Then 75 by 360 into 1440, again 4, that is equal to 300, and 50 by 360 into 1440, that is equal to 200, isn't it? So we have just uh, collected all the information about the number of students. Now we will be answering the questions given in the book. How many students are enrolled in class 8? So number 1, number of students enrolled in class 8, that is equal to how much? We have just found out, that is equal to 340. Just write down 340. Okay. The next question is, how many students are more in class 9 than in class 10? So first of all, you will find out the number of students in class 9. We will see how much are there. Number of students in class 10. Then we will find out the difference. So let us see how many are there in 9 and how many are there in 10. So when you will find, you will get it as 9 300 and 10 200. Okay, so it is 300 and 200. So how many more students are there in class 9? That is 300 minus 200, that is 100. Okay, so you write down the answer. Number of students more in class 9 than in class 10 equals to 100. Okay, then come to the third part. What is the sum of students enrolled in class 7 and 8? So we have to find out the total number of students in class 7 and class 8. So number of students in class 7 and number of students in class 8. Then we have to find out the total number of students in class 7 and 8. So let us find out how many are there in class 7. It is 280 and 340. Okay, so just write down 280 and 340. Okay, 280 and 340. Yes, then you will add it. 280 plus 340, that is equal to 620. This is the answer. Okay, now come to the last part. Find the ratio of students enrolled in class 6 to students enrolled in class 10. Okay, so number of students enrolled in class 6 is how much? It is 320. Number of students enrolled in class 10, that is equal to 10 is how much? 200. Okay, therefore ratio we have to find out. You know how to find out the ratio? 320 by 200. Okay, now you just divide by 4 8s are 4 5s are. So your answer is, what is the required ratio? 8:5. Okay, so children, complete this exercise. Thank you.